Follow along with me as I show you how to draw a firefly animation in Procreate. This artwork was inspired by the Making Art Everyday challenge. First, we'll be drawing a cute little girl character, then adding animation with some fluttering fireflies. My artwork today is inspired by the drawing prompt Firefly from Making Art Everyday. Our May theme for June is Nature Limitations.
This month we are drawing different things from nature while imposing limitations on our work to boost our creativity. Plus we'll be exploring the Procreate Animation Assist feature, so if you are curious about animation in Procreate, this will be a great one for you. The Stay Home and Draw live video series was created to encourage people to stay home during the pandemic we're experiencing while filling their day with creativity.
All our pottery figures were developed over the years and have been used to introduce basic clay modeling skills to school children of all ages. The figures are built up from simple shapes to which the students can relate. Each one of our projects is demonstrated step by step as you work through the text. This is the technique we developed and found most effective over the years, and the objective of each step of the project is shown in the still photos.